In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create drop-down menus on Shopify. Drop-down menus help organize your store navigation, making it easier for customers to browse products, collections, and pages. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main homepage where you can manage all areas of your online store. Next, look at the left side navigation menu and click on Content or Online Store depending on your Shopify version. From there, find and select the Menus option. This section allows you to manage your store's navigation menus. Inside the Menus page, you'll see your existing menus like the main menu and footer menu. To create a new drop-down menu, click on the menu where you want the drop-down to appear, usually the main menu. Now click Add Menu Item. Enter the name you want customers to see in the navigation bar, such as products, collections, or categories. After that, choose the link destination for that menu item. To create the drop-down effect, add another menu item for the submenu option. This could be something like shoes, accessories, or new arrivals, depending on your store. Once the submenu item is created, simply drag it slightly to the right underneath the main menu item. Shopify will automatically turn it into a drop-down menu item connected to the parent category. You can continue adding more submenu items and organize them however you want to make your store easier to navigate for customers. After setting up your menu structure, click Save to apply the changes to your Shopify store. Now visit your website preview and hover over the main menu item to confirm that the drop-down menu appears correctly and all links work properly. Drop-down menus are a great way to improve customer experience and help shoppers quickly find the products or pages they're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu on Shopify. Thanks for watching.